Every day I see a lot of PCs and monitors kept open overnight. Companies have been losing millions of dollars on energy conservation and data security. This one product will solve their problem and save lots of money for companies. Using our product, we'll be switching on and off your monitors and your system so that they are not open round the clock. When you are not there, nobody can unlock or access your system. Our product usage is divided between three things. One, the Android application, the microcontroller, and the desktop application. Let's talk about the Android application first. The Android application is a simple one-time configuration application. It detects your location based on your company's Wi-Fi. Once it receives the Wi-Fi, it looks for the BLE information. BLE information is basically the proximity detection information. Once it comes in the proximity of our product, it triggers the BT module inside the microcontroller. The BT module triggers the Arduino board, which triggers the emulation that locks or unlocks the PC. The relay will switch the power of the screen on and off. With our product, we are locking and unlocking your system smartly so that nobody can access your system when you are not there. And when you are there, it will smartly unlock your system. We'll be using the interaction data that we calculated through your mobile and our product to show different data analytics like your power saving and your activity tracker, so that we can show different analytics on the desktop app like when did you last logged in, did you take a walk for a while, or how many hours did you work today.
This contest proved to be a great learning experience for all of us. In routine office work, you don't get chance to work on different technologies, ideas like microprocessor, BLEs, but through this contest, we worked on the various different technologies. Apart from learning, these type of contests helps you in thinking out of the box, thinking about innovation, establishing better relationship with other peers.